If 2020 has taught the world anything, it's that the systems we have built need to change. The pandemic that has already taken over 1 million lives around the globe has also exposed countless social, economic, and racial inequalities. The virus has disproportionately affected the most marginalized, whose access to quality healthcare is scarce, and whose living and working conditions are not afforded proper protection. If governments do not act with urgency, the pandemic could push 500 million people into poverty. In so many ways, 2020 could be a catalyst for rebuilding a more just society. But how to do so when being physically together exposes us and our friends, families, and communities to this virus that has turned our lives upside down? Is there anything we can safely do to defend human rights? Of course there is. Across the globe, people have found new ways or repurposed old ones to defend human rights. Here are some ideas on how you can contribute. Mobilize people to take action. In 2020, Fridays for Future organized a live-streamed digital strike attended by over 230,000 people. Build solidarity initiatives, whether online community events, support networks, or mutual aid initiatives. In Nigeria, Women's Health and Equal Rights Initiative is supporting women and LGBTI people by offering counseling and legal aid over messaging apps and conference calls. Organize mass calls to action. Even at home, we can still strike, refuse patronage to a business that doesn't respect its workers' rights, and call out misinformation. Activists in Canada organized the E-Rally for Just Recovery, a digital rally attended by politicians, parliamentarians, and hundreds of people online. Learn new skills or share skills you already have that can help with activism, design, public speaking. Turn a creative outlet into a tool for having your voice heard. In Afghanistan, activists joined efforts to provide children with books when they had no access to libraries or schools. Take a stand online and offline to pressure people in power. Spanish activists organized a virtual march using holograms. Nurses in Detroit organized a walkout to protest health and safety challenges. Whatever you choose to do, find a leverage point to challenge systems of oppression. There is always something we can do.